If you're looking for a natural solution that can solve a wide range of common pest problems in and around your home, Essentria IC Pro provides environmentally friendly pest control for homeowners, crop growers, or livestock owners facing active pest infestations in or around their properties. Essentria IC Pro is a broad-spectrum insecticide that will kill and repel flying and crawling insects like mosquitoes or cockroaches. This product is made with active ingredients derived from essential oils, including 10% geraniol, 3% clove oil, and 1.5% cornmint oil. With its low fragrance and low phytotoxicity formula, this product will prevent adverse effects on plants without emitting offensive odors. To use Essentria IC Pro, you'll need to mix the product with water before application. For most outdoor applications and for indoor use, we recommend you apply the solution with a handheld pump sprayer. When applying Essentria IC Pro outdoors, you may also use a hose end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, a spray rig, or fogging equipment. Depending on the pest you're targeting, mix Essentria IC Pro at the labeled application rate of 1 to 8 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. For fog applications, dilute 1 to 8 fluid ounces of product in 1 gallon of water to treat 1,000 cubic feet of space. For outdoor use and perimeter applications, dilute 1 to 8 fluid ounces of product per 1 gallon of water, then apply 2 gallons of finished solution for every 1,000 square feet. Indoors, you may apply the solution to cracks, crevices, voids, and other hidden areas where insects may harbor. Outdoors, conduct a perimeter application around the outer perimeter of your structure by spraying 3 feet up the side and 3 feet out along the foundation. Then spray potential pest entry points like eaves, windows, doorways, or where utilities penetrate the walls. Essentria IC Pro can be used in residential, commercial, or industrial properties indoors or outdoors. Indoor use areas include, but are not limited to, food preparation and dining areas, rooms with furniture or bedding, garages, greenhouses, medical areas, basements, attics, and warehouses. Outdoor use areas include, but are not limited to, barns, building foundations, stables, recreational areas, outdoor food areas, and lawns. Do not apply this product directly to indoor houseplants. Essentria IC Pro can be applied when pest activity is suspected or confirmed. This product will protect treated areas for up to 21 days, so make re-applications every 3 weeks for continued control. Essentria IC Pro is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.